Are you ready for a revolution in smartphone technology? Welcome, tech enthusiasts, to a world where innovation meets functionality. Today, we're peeling back the curtain on a device that's set to redefine the smartphone landscape, the Realme P1. This isn't just another smartphone, it's a testament to the power of cutting-edge technology and design. The Realme P1, with its impressive set of features, is not just built to meet your needs, but to anticipate them. From a vibrant display that brings your content to life, to performance capabilities that ensure smooth multitasking, this device is a game changer. And let's not forget the camera that captures every detail, the battery life that keeps you going, and the connectivity that puts the world at your fingertips. We're about to embark on an exciting journey through the groundbreaking features of the Realme P1. So sit back, relax, and stay with us as we delve into the groundbreaking features of the Realme P1. First impressions count, and the Realme P1 does not disappoint. This smartphone is a perfect blend of style and functionality, boasting a sleek design that's sure to catch your eye. Its vibrant colors add a touch of personality, making it more than just a tech gadget, but a fashion statement too. Now, let's talk about the display. The Realme P1 sports an immersive 6.67-inch AMOLED screen that's a visual feast. Every image is crisp, every video is vibrant, and every game is incredibly lifelike. But that's not all. This display also features a 120Hz refresh rate, which means smoother scrolling, enhanced gaming, and a superior overall visual experience. Whether you're catching up on your favorite show, browsing through photos, or battling it out in a fast-paced game, the Realme P1 ensures every moment is clear, fluid, and thoroughly enjoyable. A treat for the eyes, the Realme P1's display brings your content to life. Under the hood, the Realme P1 packs a powerful punch. The brain of this smartphone is the MediaTek Dimensity 7050 chipset. This state-of-the-art piece of technology is designed for efficiency and power, enabling the Realme P1 to handle even the most demanding tasks with ease. And let's not forget about the 4 GB of RAM that this device brings to the table. This substantial memory capacity ensures that multitasking is a breeze. Whether you're switching between apps, streaming your favorite shows, or battling it out in the latest mobile games, the Realme P1 won't break a sweat. This smartphone's performance goes beyond just raw power. It also offers a smooth and responsive user experience, thanks to the highly efficient MediaTek chipset and ample RAM. To sum it up, the Realme P1 is not just about looks, it's a beast in performance too. Performance-wise, the Realme P1 is a powerhouse. Now, let's turn our attention to the camera. The Realme P1 has truly revolutionized smartphone photography with its impressive 50-megapixel dual rear camera setup. This isn't just about capturing images, it's about capturing life in all its vibrant, intricate detail. Imagine standing before a sweeping landscape, the sun setting, casting a breathtaking array of colors across the sky. With the Realme P1's ultra-wide lens, you can encapsulate the entire scene in a single shot, preserving the moment in stunning clarity. Now envision a bustling city street, the neon lights, the flurry of people, the architectural marvels reaching for the sky. With the Realme P1's night mode, you can capture the vibrancy and energy of the night with exceptional light control and noise reduction. The city never sleeps, and now neither does your camera. But what about those small wonders? The dewdrop on a leaf, the texture of a seashell, the intricate patterns of a butterfly's wings. The Realme P1's macro mode allows you to capture these minute details with extraordinary precision, bringing a world often overlooked into sharp focus. And let's not forget about those cherished moments with friends and family. The Realme P1's portrait mode uses advanced AI algorithms to create a beautiful bokeh effect, making your loved one stand out against a softly blurred background. It's not just about taking a photo, it's about telling a story. The Realme P1's camera isn't just a tool, it's a companion for every adventure, a witness to every moment, and a storyteller that brings your experiences to life. From vibrant landscapes to detailed close-ups, from day to night, The Realme P1's camera is your passport to a world of stunning visual experiences. With the Realme P1's camera, every moment is picture perfect. Powering this beast is a battery designed to last. Imagine going about your day from sunrise to sunset without worrying about running out of juice. That's the kind of reliability the Realme P1 battery offers. Whether you're binge-watching your favorite show, navigating through city streets, or making important video calls, this smartphone won't let you down. But what about when it's time to recharge? Enter Super VOOC 45W fast charging. This impressive feature is a game changer, bringing your device from 0 to full charge in record time. Gone are the days of waiting around for your phone to recharge. And let's not forget the convenience of USB Type-C connectivity. This universal interface not only enables the speedy charging we just talked about, but it also allows for quick data transfer and connection to a host of other devices. With the Realme P1, powering through your day is a breeze. Space and speed, the Realme P1 delivers on both fronts. With a generous 128 gigabytes of internal storage, you can store all your favorite apps, games, photos, and videos without worrying about running out of space. But a phone is more than just a storage device, and the Realme P1 understands that. It supports the latest 5G networks, which means faster download and upload speeds, lower latency, and a more seamless online experience overall. Whether you're streaming videos, playing games, or video calling, you're set for a smooth ride. And let's not forget about the 3.5mm audio jack. While many modern smartphones have forsaken the audio jack, the Realme P1 keeps it, ensuring you can enjoy your music and media with the best possible sound quality. Whether you're using wired headphones or speakers, the Realme P1 ensures an immersive audio experience. In terms of storage and connectivity, the Realme P1 has you covered. The Realme P1 is more than just a smartphone. It's a testament to the power of innovation, a beacon of technological advancement that's set to revolutionize our digital lives. Let's take a moment to revisit the marvels we've explored today. Imagine a world where design and display blend seamlessly, crafting an immersive visual experience. The Realme P1's sleek contours, vibrant colors, and a 6.67-inch AMOLED display with a 120 Hz refresh rate make this vision a reality. But a smartphone isn't just about looks, right? Performance matters. And with the MediaTek Dimensity 7050 chipset and 4 GB of RAM, the Realme P1 is not just another pretty face. It's a multitasking powerhouse, capable of handling everything from work to play without breaking a sweat. And let's not forget the camera. With a 50-megapixel dual rear camera setup, every moment becomes a potential masterpiece. Whether you're capturing the subtle hues of a sunset or the candid smiles of loved ones, the Realme P1 ensures your memories are preserved in stunning detail. Battery life and charging are game changers in today's digital world. The Realme P1's long-lasting battery coupled with Super VOOC 45W fast charging ensures your life stays uninterrupted. And with reliable USB Type-C connectivity, your charging woes are a thing of the past. Storage and connectivity are the final pieces of this technological puzzle. With 128 gigabytes of internal storage and 5G support, the Realme P1 is ready to keep you connected in a fast-paced world. And for the audiophiles, a 3.5mm audio jack promises immersive audio experiences. The Realme P1 is a testament to the future of smartphone innovation. It's more than a device. It's a companion that's ready to redefine your digital journey. So here's to the future, a future where technology transcends boundaries and innovation is not just a buzzword, but a way of life. The Realme P1 promises to elevate your smartphone experience to new heights. That's the Realme P1, poised to shake up the smartphone market. We've unpacked its stunning design, dynamic display, powerful performance, and impressive camera capabilities. We've also touched on its long-lasting battery life, fast charging capabilities, ample storage, and advanced connectivity options. This game changer is set to redefine smartphone innovation, taking your experience to new heights. Your engagement drives us to delve deeper into the world of technology to bring you the most comprehensive reviews and updates. If you found value in this video, hit that subscribe button. By doing so, you're not just subscribing, you're joining a community of tech enthusiasts, innovators, and explorers. Stay tuned for the official launch of the Realme P1. We can't wait to see how this revolutionary device performs in real-world scenarios. So until next time, keep exploring the world of technology.